This is question number 7. This is one of the board questions. I mean, it's been tested in the previous board examination. Is the question says, what does the question says? It says that the angles of depression of two ships from the top of a lighthouse on the same side are found to be 45 and 30 degree. Further, they have given the distance between the two ships, and we need to find the height of this lighthouse. So for that, first of all, what we need to do is to draw the horizontal, that is the base, and then make a tower here. Let's say tower, that is a lighthouse in this case. And I name this as AB. There are 2 points on the same side, right? It's the same side of the tower. And the angles of depression are formed. For that, we need to make a line parallel to the base, and then joining this with this will give you the one angle of depression, and again joining this point C with point D will give you the other depression. Clearly from the figure you can figure out that this one is smaller, so this will be 30. The angles are 30 and 45, and this one will be 45 degree. Now by applying angle sum property, we can say this will be 30 degree and this will be 45 degree. Now, anyway, you can also find out that one which is closer to 90 degree, C being closer to 90 degree will be greater. Now, what else we have to do is to find the final question part is we have to find the height of this lighthouse. So we can take this height of the lighthouse be H. Further, we can take this as BCSH, which is not mentioned. So we can apply trigonometric ratio in any of the triangle. Let's say I can start with any triangle. So I'm taking with starting with ABC. Over here, I'm writing tan 45 degree as the angle of elevation here is equal to perpendicular, which is AB over the base, which is BC, replacing tan 45 with its value as 1 and AB with H and BC with X. We got X is equal to H or H is equal to X. That's the first relation we obtained. Now, what we can do in the next part, we can take the other triangle here and need to mention the name of the triangle. So this time I'm taking this triangle, say A, B, D, and in here we are going to apply tan 30 degree, which is equal to perpendicular in this case is AB, and the base is BD here, right? So tan 30 is 1 over root 3, and AB as you can see here, moreover AB is H here. And what about BD? As you can see that the distance between the two ships are 200 meters. So the length of BD will be X plus 200. This will be your second part. With cross multiplication, we can further simplify it. It is root 3 times H is equal to X plus 200, and replacing, as you know from this equation, replacing X with H. So what we'll get? Root 3H is equal to H plus 200. Why we are doing so? Because we have to get the value of H. This is what we have to get. That therefore, from the first equation, I replace this X with H. Now we will transpose to get the value of H. So we can write from here, that is keeping H on same side. This is root 3 H minus H is equal to 200, and taking H common, you will get root 3 minus 1 is equal to 200. So finally, H is going to be 200 over root 3 minus 1. What do we do in such a case? We rationalize. So we'll rationalize it with multiply and divide with root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1. So H is equal to 200 root 3 plus 1. And this will be a square minus b square, that is 2. So H is equal to, on reducing, you are getting 100 here. So 100 that into root 3 plus 1. Further, what you can do, you can replace root 3 with its value 1.732 plus 1 So this will give you 100 multiplied by 2.732, and therefore the final answer is going to be 273.2 meter. So that is the height of this tower as 273.2 meters.